Okay, guys, this is your guy, the Cyber Coach. Hope you are doing great. You had like a wonderful weekend. Okay, today I want us guys to learn like three commands about networking. It's all about networking. In Kali, so you have to understand and master this command also because in the future we'll be using it too much. You understand? So we will try to understand commands that they call the if config, the IP address command and the ping command. So I will try to give you some example and try to see how it works and in which circumstance we can use them. Okay. So the first command that I want this video to be very short also because of I want you guys to understand the what is necessary for you. Straightforward. Let's go straightforward. So and the same time that I actually hope that you guys are you have been exercising what we learned previously. Okay, that's the point. That's the most important exercise. And if you get any challenge, put it on the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe, okay, to the channel and like the video and comment. And at the end, in the comment section also, I put like a WhatsApp group, a free WhatsApp group access for all the community, all the subscriber. I'll be giving you a free book on anonymity, 10 ways to be anonymous online. The best way to explain anonymity to my grandmother. So that's the title of the books. They're almost like a 40 or 50 pages books. It helps you to understand, because all these internet, they are gathering, Google is collecting our data and they are reselling it. Hackers, scammers, all these kind of category of people can use the data you are giving them online and do something harmful for you. So in the ebook, I'll be showing you different way that you can explain even to your grandma how she can apply anonymity online. It's very important. So for you to get the book, just subscribe and join the WhatsApp group. Is a free book, free access. Okay, on my about me, if you go to my in my biography about me, you can see the WhatsApp group there, and also in this description of this book, of this video, I will actually put it also there. So okay, let's go to the first command that I want to show you guys. Is the if command. Okay, if config. I want you to understand this because see guys, if you are about to run a pen testing or maybe if you want to hack a website, if you want to do a pen testing job to a company, you have to understand, you have to know your IP address. For example, it's very important when, for example, you want to build a specific exploit, like let me say a virus or a malware, to get access to a computer, to a server. For you to be able to do it, you have to put your IP address, the IP address of your server, of your attacker computer. Okay, and for you to know all these details about your computer, knowing your IP address, all this stuff in Kali Linux, this is the command you have to do. If config, if I hint if config, you understand? It actually does all the details that they are giving me. So the ETH0 flags showing me that it's up, is actually showing me the inet. And the inet here, this is the most important. This is my IP address. Don't worry, this is all about my private IP address. It's not the public one. The public IP address is the most important, most dangerous for me. I shouldn't be able to show you here, but like this is the private IP address. It means that this is all about my my local network, my LAN. So everybody, it depends on the country, and I know that this IP address, hundred of million of people can have it. Okay, don't worry. So this is the IP address. This is the network. It means so this is the subdomains. That's the IP address. You understand? So if you want to know your IP address, it's very important for you. Remember this. This is how you will know your IP address, the broadcast, the different kind of the sub IP. It has the different information they can give you from this command if config. Okay, so we have another way to put it also in this modern. The modern is IP address. Yes, let me put show. So if config is the same thing with IP address. It's just that in 2024, Kali Linux have been updated their things, their commands, and the new way to do it is IP address show. As you type it, you have all the details. You understand? So how it actually is more than showing you your inet, the range of your IP address, the subnet, You understand? So this is very important. So the ET0, the EH0, you know, some people is actually showing you that it's up, it's down. It's very important. Some when you're doing attack, some attackers are actually putting it down to reduce the possibility for them to be exposed or to receive, any entry point. Are you getting me? So we have like IP if config. If you want to know what is your IP address, what is the detail about your interface, internet interface of your attacker computer, if config. Okay. Or you can put IP address show, IP address show. Okay. That's very important. I hope that you guys understand. So that's a very simple command because when it's showing like each is that's particularly the Ethernet connection. I mean, like the wire network for your local computer. The INET particularly. I think the INET is your IP address. I've seen this is my private IP address where it's actually rating the net mask is the subnet, like the sub IP address. That's the thing here. Yeah, I think I show it. It was here. Yeah, that's the net mask. Okay, so that's it. The subnet, so the subnet mask. So it's actually the range of your IP address. I already said it. So the next command, the next command that I can actually show you is, let me say, and I think I told you that you can actually put this Ethernet 0, each 0. You can put it up, you can put it down. All depends. For example, if want to disable it, I can put it down. For example, like this, I say, okay, I want this ET0 to be down because here on my computer it is up. Okay, so let me put it down. Like I can actually put like if config. I say EH0, put it down. So if I do like if config, you see, it's no longer showing. Hope guys you understand. It's no longer showing, right? So let me put it up. If config ET8 up. Okay. Let me just check it again. You see now I have it is up, right? So that's it. So most hackers, when they are doing their attack, they're putting down just to reduce the maximum, they disable it to reduce the maximum interference or possibility to be attacked. Okay, so that's it. The next command that I want to show you is the command ping. Okay, remember, if you want to know whatever is in this, you just put man and then it will give you all the details about the command that you want to type. I think you guys remember, right? They say that the ping command use the ICMP protocol, mandatory echo. So what is my ICMP? That's my point. I don't like things to be very too much technical. So that's the role. See, the role of a ping command, the ICMP, I think like ICMP is like Internet Control Protocol message, something like that, ICMP. So the role of this ICMP is to send like a kind of message to your target to say, hello, this kind of message which says, hello, are you online? Are you up, for example? Are you awake? Are you walking? And then your target will send him back a message, say, yes, I'm up, for example. And that's what they say, sending an ICMP package. When they say a package, in computer language, when they say a packet is like how can I say, is a gathering of informations that contains your IP address and the IP address of your target and the message into the IP address. And then in internet, what internet used to do, like for example, when you're opening a web page, is a kind of package. So you're actually sending to the server and they send the server and send it with, say, I want to open this. This is the package you're sending. And what this internet actually doing is actually receiving the package small, part by part. It's not like the global package receiving. It's small, step by step. Okay, so that's not the course of, like, we are not giving a course. I'm not giving you a course on internet or networking, but I want to show you the command. For example, you have a target, and then maybe my target is Google. Okay, and then I want to know if Google is online before attacking, because it's useless if you want to attack somebody which is down, which the website is down or the server is down, or you cannot communicate with it. Your attack will not work. Okay, so what I want to do is, like, I just attack like ping, and then I put Google, and then I type. You see, it's sending package of 64 bytes. As it's sending it, it's receiving, sending. The good things is, like, as it's sending, it's showing me also the IP address, one of the IP address of Google. Okay, that's interesting. as it's sending, it will be keeping sending until I stop it. Okay. But like for example, I can with this ping also you can put say okay, just send 5 package to the same Google. Okay, that's the that's the domain name, right? As a send. After the send package, the 5 package, for example, it will stop. Okay, so that with ping we can delimitate the number of package that we want to send to our target. Are you guys getting me? After the enter, because most of the time we want to delimitate it, we limit it because we don't want to waste time. The moment that we check that our target is up, it's okay. Let's go. I can even say, okay, please, I want to send just 2 package to Google. That's another. I can even put like the other IP address of Google. I say send 2 package. As I send 2 package is okay. So the interesting thing with that ping is that you can use ping with the IP address, like here, this is the IP address, or you can use it with the domain name. Okay. So if you have a question about the domain name, the domain name is like the DNS, like that's the domain name server is the letter, because human beings, if I tell you to remember this IP address or this IP address, it will be very hard. So the DNS is this system that translates the human writing to a computer, or let me say to a server understanding language. So as we are writing Google, the DNS, like let me say the domain name system, is actually translating in this number. Is this number that they server can understand. You understand? So that's it. So domain name is the, for example, if my website is like www.thecybercoach.com, my domain name there will be thecybercoach.com. You understand? So that's the domain name. So you can do the ping command to check if a website is online. That's the point. You have to do it. That's a must. Anytime that you want to do a task, a penetration testing, first you have to check if the website is online. So if anything happens, most of the time the ping command will give you back a message that, oh, maybe the server has blocked this package that you're sending, or your target is down, all this stuff. You understand? The ping command helps you understand it. And in the next video, when we will start doing our penetration testing, you will understand how to bypass it. For example, sometimes most of the target, they have like a firewall in their website. When you are typing, you cannot even know if they're online or not. That's how to bypass it. Do we have other methods to know if a target is up or down? So that's the 3 commands. First, before anything, you have to understand to know what is your IP address. If you want to do any penetration testing, this is ifconfig or IP address show. And then the next thing is you have to know what is if your target is up. So hope you guys understand it, practice it, and then next video we'll learn new things now, more serious. Okay, thank you guys for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe. After you subscribe, join the WhatsApp group on the description of this video. You can see the description, the link in the description, or you can also see it on my page. When you see about me there up, you can see I put the WhatsApp chat group. Is a free entry. As you enter, you receive a free ebook that will help your life. Okay, thank you guys.